I'll have the lights for the license plate. While I have these out and relocated, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the cover, or the, I don't know what you call this, cover lens, whatever, and replace the bulb. The bulbs in here, they're working, but they're really old. They're the stock bulbs, and they're kind of crappy. So I got these LED ones. But while I was installing all this, I learned that these Allen bolts are the right size for the little bracket. Yeah, the bracket and the cover. This lens cover. Yeah, these Allen bolts are, so that's kind of cool. These are pretty easy to figure out. I mean, yeah, they're old, but it can be a little confusing if you've never done it. I kind of had to figure it out as well, because I'd never done these before, like ever. But this little bracket, shiny bracket, it just pulls out. You want to remember, snap a photo of how it goes, because you want to put it back, slide it into the same spot. Because if you do it the opposite way, you won't be able to get your the little lens cover back on. Anyhow, it just slides out. The bulb slides out as well. And as most of you guys know, LED bulbs have a negative and positive side. It's tough to see on this, but there is a little marking on this to indicate the positive side. But before I install these, I'm gonna clean the connections with this electrical cleaner. It comes in handy, and again, these things are old. They're all dirty and dusty, and they've just been through hell. I cleaned them as best as I could, like the outer area, the bracket and stuff. Just brushed it or whatever, but nothing major. And this dries up really quick, this cleaner spray. So I'm going to give that a few minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, that spray is dry, but I'm going to reinsert the old the stock bulbs, because I want you guys to see the quality of these bulbs. I'm going to turn the lights on and I'll be right back. Okay, hopefully you can see that. They're just, you know, the basic old-timey bulbs, and I'm going to turn them off real quick, and I'm going to insert the LED bulbs real fast. And as always, again, these things are, the bulbs, LED bulbs are marked. If you happen to, even if you put them on the wrong way, they just won't turn on, so you just gotta flip them and put them the opposite way, and they should work. They should be good to go. Alright, let me get off here for a second. I'm gonna go turn them on real fast. It's a big difference, like easily noticeable. I'll take photos of each of the bulbs so you can use them as a comparison. Let me turn these off real quick. Okay, so again, inserting them, just remember how you put them on. You want to see this round end, you want it facing you as the viewer. there's little notches where these this bracket slides into. If you see this, there's two little notches right there. There should be two notches on either side that this will go into. And so it just slides in. And I'm glad these Allen bolts fit. I didn't have to get the threaded rivets or anything like that for this, or for these particular bolts, or these two bolts. So that was a bit of a lifesaver and a stroke of luck. And it was just by chance that I tried them just to see if they would work, and they did. So, you know, happy coincidence, as they call it. It's not too bad. Okay, it's early morning, it's still really dark. Just wanted to show you guys what these look like at night. These LED lights, I've never really had them before, like owned them in any vehicle myself, so this is a nice big change. They look really good. They illuminate far, far, far better than the stock ones ever did. But yep, I just wanted to show you guys. I'll see you.